Okay, so here I am on the Smart Source website. They got some coupons that you guys can print. If you're like me, I don't get half of these coupons in my newspaper, so I like it when they have these available. But they just added the Act. They added Sally Hansen. This is a great coupon, $1 off Kinder Joy. I would definitely do that coupon. My son loves Kinder Eggs right now, so we go crazy. They went crazy over Jolly Time, Just for Men, Shamrock, and I don't think they added any other stuff that's really new. So there's that. So let me show you guys what is in the Red Plum. Okay, so here they added some great coupons. They got $4 off of 2 Garnier Whole Blends, 50 cents off of bath tissue. We got $1 off Thermacare, $2 off of Advil, $3 off the Olia, L'Oreal, 75 cents, $2, $3 off of Advil, and then we got the Centrum, and then hopefully you guys were able to print those, but we also got those in the inserts, and that is pretty much it for the Red Plum. And then let me show you guys what coupons to print on coupons.com. Okay, so here is coupons.com. I am not going to make a little video like I usually do because I know you guys want to get the coupons to print, but they did add a lot more coupons the other day. If you guys saw, I made a video for it for March 1st. So definitely get some of those coupons down. But here we got some Advil. I think those they just added the other day. Sweet Tarts, that's a great coupon. Crunchmaster, which my Ibotta no longer reset for that. So if you guys can get that deal, go for it. I know they have some really good coupons down. Here we got $1 off of Colgate toothpaste. Garnier, this is a great coupon. Skin Active excludes masks. This is a great coupon. I would print this off, you guys, right here. This is a Walgreens ultra thin maxi pad or panty liner. I would do that coupon. I printed off those last time and they had some really good deals where it ended up becoming free. So if you guys just need that stuff to donate or something like that, go for it. Here we have $1 off of Maybelline. That's a great coupon. It's been a while, but $2 off of Garnier. This is actually a better coupon to use than if you guys use the one that we got in the inserts. But I know that they did limit the one in the inserts to 2 per transaction. So I don't know what the limit is on that, but we'll find out. Here we got $1 off L'Oreal. Here we got $1 off of Barilla Pasta, $2 off Aleve. I could probably get a little bit closer for you guys. $2 off of Axe Hair. A lot of Purina Beyond that dog food, cat food, or whatever. $1 off of Maybelline, $2 off of L'Oreal Paris. Here is a $1.50 off of Visine. That's a great coupon. More dog food. Here's $2 off a lip product from Maybelline. $1 off of Pop-Tarts, 50 cents. $2. There's some awesome coupons. Here's this Walgreens coupon. I probably won't use it, but I'm still just going to print it off just in case. Here we got $1 off of Edge Shave, $2 off of Kiwi. I don't know if I saw that. I'm just going to print that off. Buy one, get one free of the Pantene, $2, another $2 off Kiwi. Sweet. I know there was a deal in Ibotta. I'm not sure if it's still there, but there was a great deal with Ibotta. La la la. I'm just showing you guys my deals. Sorry for going fast. A lot of you guys should have the same ones. I know some coupons are different. Here they got Lime Away. You guys can actually use this coupon at the Dollar Tree. Look at that. You guys can get that for 25 cents. I don't think there is a restriction on it. So that is awesome. I might use that coupon. It just depends. My computer has been acting really weird lately. Bulldog, I swear I saw something with Bulldog. I can't remember where I saw it, but I'm just going to print it off because I saw it somewhere. I think I saw it on my CVS app. But, yeah. And I think we're coming to the end of coupons. Oh, no, that's one they already had already. So, those are coupons to print. And I will see you guys later for my Walgreens and CVS haul. Bye-bye.